Welcome back to FonePaw channel. If you get a new iPhone and you have used an Android phone for a long time, the first thing you might do is to transfer data from your Android phone to the iPhone, including photos, messages, call history, contacts, and so on. But it will confuse you because you don't know how to do it. If so, this video is for you. I will share with you 2 useful ways to transfer data from your old Android to a new iPhone. Now just follow me. FonePaw DoTrans and Move to iOS app of Apple are 2 powerful mobile transfer programs to clone plentiful data from Android to iPhone efficiently. However, they have some difference. To transfer data from Android to iPhone after the Move to iOS setup, you have to clean the original data of your iPhone firstly. If you don't want to delete data on your iPhone, perhaps the Move to iOS is not working for you. But you can go to use FonePaw DoTrans. Now, let's first see how to use the FonePaw DoTrans to transfer data from Android to iPhone. First, download FonePaw DoTrans on your computer. After that, connect the old Android phone and new iPhone to PC. As for the Android phone, please follow the guide to set up your debugging on the device. After connecting, your devices will be detected in the top list. Choose the Android phone as the source device. Select Photos, Video, Music, and Contacts when both Android phone and iPhone are detected. You can preview the item's details before transferring. Select the items and hit Export to Device to choose the destination phone. And when the copying procedure is finished, select OK. Then the photos, videos, contacts from your old Android has moved to your new iPhone successfully. Before transferring, please download and install Move to iOS app from Google Play on your Android device. Then turn on Wi-Fi and turn off cellular data on your Android device. If the above preparation you have done, now we can start to use this app to transfer data. When setting up a new iPhone, follow the setup guidance until reaching the app and data interface, and tap Move data from Android. Then just tap Continue on your iPhone and wait for several seconds for a digital code. After that, open Move to iOS on your Android device and then tap Continue, Agree. Then you will find that you need to enter the code. Just enter the code you get from your iPhone onto your Android device and wait for the transfer data interface to show up. At the last, after the transfer data interface appears, select the data you intend to transfer on your Android device and tap Next to start transferring data from the Android phone to your new iPhone. If this video helps, please give it a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful and latest videos. See you in the next video.